From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Osaka, Japan, takoyaki. Takoyaki, the iconic Japanese street food made of batter-filled octopus-stuffed dough balls, is deeply rooted in Osaka's culinary culture. The city of Osaka, Japan, is often called Japan's kitchen. Takoyaki was invented in Osaka during the 1930s, inspired by an earlier snack called choboyaki, a simple flour-based pancake. The dish evolved from akashiyaki, a similar octopus-filled dumpling from Akashi, Hyogo Prefecture, which uses a more egg-heavy batter. The creator of modern takoyaki is widely credited to Endo Tomokichi Yuntunloji, a street vendor in Osaka's Aizu district. He modified the recipe by using a wheat flour-based batter and cooking it in a special griddled pan, takoyaki, creating the round, bite-sized balls we know today. After World War II, takoyaki became a popular street food due to its affordability and delicious taste. Osaka's yatai, food stalls, and festivals helped spread takoyaki as a must-try snack. By the 1960s-70s, takoyaki became a symbol of Osaka's food culture, later spreading across Japan and internationally. The batter consists of flour, dashi broth, eggs, and chopped octopus, tako. It's poured into a special cast iron mold, then flipped with skewers to achieve a crispy outside and gooey inside. It's typically topped with takoyaki sauce, similar to Worcestershire, Japanese mayonnaise, bonito flakes, katsuobushi, aonori seaweed flakes, pickled ginger, beni shoga. Takoyaki remains Osaka's most famous snack, with countless specialty shops like Aizuya, one of the oldest, and chains like Gindako. Modern versions include cheese, kimchi, or even sweet fillings. Takoyaki represents Osaka's fun, casual food culture, contrasting with Tokyo's more refined dishes. From a humble street snack to a global phenomenon, takoyaki's history reflects Osaka's innovative and down-to-earth culinary spirit. If you visit Osaka, trying fresh takoyaki from a street stall is a must.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.